All right, guys, we're back out here at this sump cave.
Getting naked.
Getting naked. We've dried it out with a pump, and we're all about to head in it. Oh, this is so much different. Yeah. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh yeah. All this was underwater the last time, guys. Whoa, it's actually getting a little hot. Yeah, we're not that's where the incident happened. Okay. Here goes the low water. This is all new passage for us. Good room? Ooh! We're in the next room. I hear a lot of holy crapping. Big old giant open air dome, full of mud underneath it. Oh wow. There he goes. Dude! Holy crap! Is this a big room? Dude, these formations! It's crystal clear. Stalactites and everything. Ooh. Dude. This is nothing but... Oh my gosh, guys. This is amazing. Let me get into the sinkhole. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh god. So let's go check out what all the oohs and ahs are about. Oh god. Whoa, Edward. Yeah. This chandelier, dude. I know for so long. So straight. Dude, these are some of the craziest formations. Yeah. Untouched formations, guys. Look at that, dude. Beautiful. There's water running. Yeah, there's water. That's how it beautiful. Oh, it's still going through. There's water. It's currently filling up right now. We gotta push that. Dude, don't get. Oh, sketch. Yeah, it's filling up that part of the cave with that river. Dude, there's a river down there. Okay. That's really tight. Oh my god. I'm going to look. Gnarly. You're going to push it? I'm going to look. Far. Somebody's been down there. That had to have been us. No, that's old. Hey, did someone go down here? No. No. These are all super old footprints? They just stay in the mud like that for years. Crazy. That's nuts. Yeah, so you can see running water. There's an actual river flowing. Oh, there's a river flowing? Yeah, you can see it running. It's filling the cave back up. Oh! Dude, you're never going to come back up this slope. Yeah, that's got to be filling up what we just went through. Very slow fill. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's go explore some Virgin Passage while we're here. Whoa! That's crazy, dude. This has to be the next song. Yeah, right here in front of me is. Yeah. Can you get back up this thing? Yeah, we're gonna get back up. It's so muddy, man. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Holy crap. Oh wow. Oh wow. Hopefully these guys make it over here to see what we're seeing. Oh wow. We got a potential dig out that way, but this is
This looks like it. Oh wow.
Whoa!
Oh wow.
Whoa!
Yeah, be careful in here.
Oh my god.
Formation.
We have to get Matt back here.
Wow.
Someone tell Matt to come back here.
Hey Matt, you gotta come back here, dude.
This is
Watch your head.
Completely virgin territory. You gotta come back
This
here.
is straight virgin cave,
This is straight virgin.
Oh my goodness.
Watch your head.
Wow.
Yeah.
Everybody kind of like ease around so we can get everybody in here.
Holy crap.
And I'm gonna sit right here.
Ah, I cannot believe this.
Tell him we'll get him back up. Don't worry about
Get
it.
you back up, don't worry.
Does it go on or is it done?
This is the end of this room without digging it out over
We
here.
got a whole passageway.
Hold on. I think I actually can squeeze through this.
Don't do it.
Let him look.
Don't do it.
You do it, I do it.
But dude,
Okay.
even if it is, this is the end of the cave because of that other passageway that was uncovered.
Yeah, there was one that went left.
Yeah.
Split. I want to go down that.
Yeah.
This is so wild. Look how big these
Healing
are.
Tyson, everything.
Hey, so far this turned into a good cave.
This is one of the coolest caves I've been in.
Let's see what we got.
So
Just because of how untouched it is.
Oh, yeah, crazy.
You don't see this often.
We would never have this kind of formation
This
where we
guy's
live.
nuts.
Top-notch formation.
I'm feeling a little sketched because this rock is cracked.
Other than
Yeah.
us ever made it through. I bet.
We might be the first people to ever step foot in this room. wouldn't
We are.
Right.
I think we are too. There's no footprints in yours.
Yeah.
So what's up with them describing that last room as a 9-foot room? That thing was huge.
Yeah, that was way bigger than 9 by 6.
And they didn't say anything about formations.
That's what I'm saying too.
Maybe
I don't
they didn't
think
go. Maybe
I don't
they
think
weren't as
they
brave
did.
as y'all.
Dude, I think it was a
It
different
wouldn't
room.
brave as it might have been underwater.
Yeah, they probably didn't pump it. They just scuba dived and said, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go look in this next sump.
That's true. We could just say on video that we're still going deeper while we're going out and they'll think we're really brave.
Right.
I can't believe we went up this thing.
Watch your head.
Covered in mud.
Oh god. That is so deep, guys. Oh god.
Oh, it's much cooler down here.
Yeah.
Go for it, Mikey. Oh, it hit me in the eye with mud.
All right. Back into this beautiful room. Whee!
Okay, that's the way. Yep. You did it right. Dude, crazy, there were still footprints from the last time someone was in here years ago.
Oh wow. Hey, stop right there for a minute. There's a whole nother room right here.
Oh, that's the hard one. Oh wait, no, this is the way we went, right?
Yeah,
Oh, what is that room?
whole nother room I just found.
Quit finding rooms.
I can't not quit finding rooms, man.
This room is, what, 30 by 30? This room is so big. What's in there?
Oh god. Oh wow.
He's the first, Brian's first one in there. Jacob, we found another room.
It's just a room full of formations again. Just another room full of formations. Oh wow, guys. Look at those formations. Look at all them crazy formations.
Oh, they're still in it.
Yeah, there wasn't nothing about that easy. I think this is a lizard people meeting room.
It is. You can tell.
Dude, this looks so trippy just staring straight up at it.
Really
The Council of Elders.
So fuzzy.
Yeah.
Dude, it's so hot up here.
I know.
Oh god, I'm coming back down.
I think I'm just gonna lay in that water down there.
I'm about to see if I can't find another spot to go.
I'll grab it.
Come on down.
I thought it was just gonna slide.
So sticky.
It's so muddy. There he goes.
Muddier than petty drums?
Oh, shit.
If I wanted it to fall.
The same.
Yeah.
This is a little muddier, guys.
Oh,
The
God.
river goes underneath. Are you going next?
I don't know, man.
Get the full slide.
I thought it was sitting up there. God. All right, guys. We are in the water again. I finally can feel my fingers for the first time. And we're going. The ground underneath the water is absolutely
Good luck, Edward. Thank you. This is action adventure twin number 1 or 2. Which one are you? Number 1. Obviously. He's the guy who's going further in every cave. He's not scared. Hold on. Which way is it to get out? That way? That way? Or that way?
You got lost.
We're lost!
educated guess. That way.
It's probably that really tight. It's got that really tight, sharp one that we don't remember going through.
Who did we send in there?
That's Edward.
That's
Is
Edward?
this the place we got to last time?
Yep.
Man, this cave goes by quick.
And the
It's a boy.
cave monster.
Got a little dot of mud like right there.
Here, I got you.
I don't think it matters when there's this. Oh my god.
Yeah, get him. We're getting him.
Look, clean him off over here. The floor is so awkward and we can't see it.
Yeah, they have my knee pads, so I'm
You're-
just raw dogging.
Your wetsuit's ruined.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. We made it back to the pump.
Holy crap, far out.
Oh. Guys, definitely check out everybody else's channel so you can see everybody else's perspective. And we'll catch you in the next cave.